Welcome back. Brett Canaday here, Juice Feaster on all the social media platforms, and I'm on a mission to cleanse, regenerate, and transform 1 million people with the magical powers of juicing. In today's video, we're going to make a juice recipe, a super simple juice recipe called the Fantastic Flavonoid. What the heck is a flavonoid? Well, flavonoids are a class of chemical compounds that are naturally occurring in fruits, vegetables, greens, and herbs, and they have been shown scientifically to help you stave off or ward off toxins that we encounter in our everyday lives. And so when you include these flavonoids in your diet daily, they can help you to avoid chronic illnesses, and particularly one illness that we're interested in staying far away from is cancer. And so flavonoids have been scientifically shown to help prevent cancer. So let's take a look at the ingredients for this simple recipe. First off, we're going to take 8 medium Fuji apples. These are organic Fuji apples, medium in size. We're going to go with 1 medium lemon. And last but not least, a half a bundle or 2 cups packed spinach. So one of the things I really like about this recipe is that these ingredients can be found no matter where you're at in the world. They are very common ingredients that can be found in virtually any grocery store, no matter where you're at in the world. So there's no excuse for not being able to make a juice. So let's get into it. Let's make this juice and see how it tastes. This juice is very easy to prep on the Pure cold press 2-stage juicer. First, we're going to remove the core and the seeds from the apples, and everything but the lemon will be run through the grinder through the number 10 grid on the left side of the machine. This is the first stage, or the grinder stage, of the process. Once everything is ground up, we're going to give the pulp in the bowl a little bit of a stir to activate the enzymes before we press it. So give that a stir and put about 1.5 cups of the pulp in the center of the reusable, cleanable press cloths. Wrap them up in a tic-tac-toe fashion and put them on the right side of the machine, which is a 2.5-ton hydraulic press. This press allows us to extract the highest amount of juice, the highest amount of nutrition, the most amount of enzymes of any juicer that I have ever used. Okay, super simple. That recipe makes just an exact 1 liter here. So beautiful green juice. So let's pour this in. Beautiful green juice. Right at 1 liter. Now, you might be wondering, how in the world do you find out what ingredients like the flavonoids are present in the juicing ingredients that you make? And that's a great question. And one resource that has been recently released by the folks at Pure Juicer Company is the periodic table of juicing. So you may have heard of the periodic table of elements. Well, this is a very similar piece of work. It's created with all of the juicing ingredients, fruits, vegetables, greens, herbs, some nuts and seeds on there as well. And the folks at Pure Juicer Company have identified all of the beneficial nutritional compounds like flavonoids for each of the juicing ingredients that you might be able to juice on your juicer. And so with that information, they've also broken it down into all the different systems of the body, like the brain, the musculoskeletal, all the organ system, and where these chemical compounds, these beneficial nutritional compounds, can be found in these ingredients, so that you can come up with beautiful, highly nutritious, targeted recipes that can help your health, that can benefit your health. So a link in the description box below for the periodic table of juicing put together by the folks at Pure Juicer Company. It's an amazing document, an ever-growing document that I look forward to using and seeing how it grows. So let's take a taste of this juice, the Fantastic Flavonoid, apples, spinach, and lemon. Oh, amazing. So until we speak again, I encourage you to make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy. Cheers, my friends. Wow.